Um, Next, we're just gonna do some stylizing and add some labels. Let's first change the contours to the color black. And then we're gonna go to labels. Here we see that there's no labels and we want rule-based labeling. Then click this green plus down here. Make a description, just say contour labels. And we can change the font. We're going to need to go to text. So I'm going to change the font to Helvetica Bold. Bold. And let's make the size 12-point font. And now let's go to placement and say online and above line. And let's make it parallel. Curved might also look nice. We can check that out. We don't want any repeat. And let's see how this looks. So now it's black and we have our contours on here. So you can see that the contour lines are not representing the elevation we want. And the reason for that is because in labels, I had forgotten to, in this value box here, we need it to be elevation. So that's very important. When I click OK, we can now see that it's changed to the elevation. There's some different things with styling that you can do here. If you go to buffer, for example, you can say draw text buffer. Okay, and if we turn this on, then uh our numbers are kind of outlined by this white. Whereas before they would have just been black, so you wouldn't be able to see these. So you can go ahead and do things like that to customize your map more. So now that we have our elevation labels, I also want these numbers to be over the line rather than above them. So we're going to go to labels, click that again. Going to go to placement. And let's unclick above line. So we just have, we only have online checked now. Click OK, and now you can see that the contours have switched. All right, now the final part of completing this map is going to be changing the style of this kind of base map. So first, we're going to want to double click, say duplicate layer. And here off to the right, we can click colorize. Make sure that this is not on at the moment. We can colorize this. Let's just make it red for now. Now let's uncheck that. Click this one, the copy, and let's also invert the color. We're going to change the color to, let's just do like a blue. Okay. Can also do invert color, right? So changes that. The cool part about this is that now if we said blending mode, And let's just do difference. We can see that both of these layers we're able to play around with the colors and customize the map more. It's same with brightness. If we go brighter, we can see the whole map start to become a different color. So this is where you go ahead and play and customize the map to whatever colors you like. And then we will finish this lab, export it as a PDF or PNG file with title and borders showing the latitude and longitude, um, as well as adding a scale bar and a north arrow. After you complete all those steps, you're going to want to make sure to save your map. So you can just go, there's a couple different ways to do this, but you can just go click project and save as. Let's call it lab 5, and then we can put, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna put CI for Carrington Island, and I'm gonna save it to um, lab 5, and just click save. So now it appears as just a QGZ, which is a QGIS file or working document. So there you go.